In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove a Gmail account from an Android phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. We can easily do so by tapping at Settings Up icon on our home screen. Or if you cannot find it, you can just swipe down to show up these quick options, and that's where we can easily find gear icon, and we can tap at that icon to move on to the settings. Now guys, at settings we need to scroll down all the way until we find accounts. For some reason I cannot see it on my device. It is called accounts and backup actually. So here on my table is Samsung Galaxy S23. If you have Samsung device, it should call accounts and backup. And now here we need to get into manage accounts. And that's where we can easily find accounts we've signed in on that device, not just Gmail accounts. We can see here WhatsApp, Telegram, and some other accounts. However, at the very top, we can see 2 Gmail accounts, and let's say if we would like to remove one, we need just to tap on it, then hit at remove account, and then just tap right here to confirm it. Keep in mind that it will not delete the account itself, it will just remove it from your device. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.